Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. I am Abhijit sir, your computer teacher of class 4. Today I am going to teach you computer chapter 3, that is tools of word processor. It is the very interesting chapter and already I have given you that as a homework to read this chapter. So let's start. Students, what is Microsoft Word program? It is word processing software program. It is word processing software program. You can see the heading tools of word processor. A word processor is software or a device that allows users to create, edit and print documents, and also it is part of Microsoft Office package. Next, editing a document means making changes in the computer's documents, correcting mistakes, checking spelling and grammar, etc. is called editing a document. Fill in the blanks. Students, later I will give you these answers. At first you will try to solve this. Next page. Entering text. Entering text. Before we start typing our text using MS Word, the cursor blinks at a point called the insertion point. Students, when we are typing, so that time on monitor screen we can see one vertical line came. That point is called the insertion point. It indicates the position where the text that we type will appear in the document. Next, word wrap feature. As we type, we do not need to press enter key after each line. MS Word automatically takes the cursor to the next line once we reach the end of a line. This feature is called word wrap feature. Next, selecting text. To edit a portion of the document text. Okay, to edit a portion of the text, we need to first select it or highlight it. Let us learn about different ways of selecting text. Here portion of text and their steps are given here. Whole word. Double click within the word. Whole paragraph, triple click within the paragraph. Several words or lines, click and drag the mouse over the words. Entire document. Choose edit, then select all from the menu bar or press Ctrl+A for select all. How to deselect text? To deselect text, we click anywhere outside the selection. Next, deleting text or removing text. Delete key and backspace keys are used to remove text. Okay students, at first backspace key. Backspace key removes characters to the left of the cursor and delete key removes characters to the right of the cursor. Undo and redo an action. Undo and redo button, they are present on the quick access toolbar. The undo command cancels the effect of the last executed command. In the similar manner, redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command. This is undo button sign, this is redo button sign. And Ctrl+Z is shortcut key for undo. Ctrl+Y, this is shortcut for redo. Next, moving and copying text. We can also move and copy text from one place to another. So if want if we want to move text from one area of a document to another, we first cut the text from its place and then paste the text to its new location. We use the cut button to cut the text. The text is copied from the document and placed on the clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary memory location in the RAM of the computer. RAM means random access memory. To get the text at a new location, we use the paste button. In the same manner, if we want to copy a part of text and use it and at another location of the document, we copy the desired text by selecting and then using the copy button. Then we press the paste button where we want to copy it. Select the text you want to cut or copy. Click on the cut or copy button in the clipboard group on the home tab. It is home tab, it is clipboard group. You can see students, cut button, paste button, copy button and clipboard group this is, and this home tab. Ctrl+Z for cut, shortcut key for cut, and Ctrl+C shortcut key for copy. Now pasting text. To paste the cut or copied text, we move the cursor to the location where we want the text to be placed and then click the paste button in the clipboard group on the home tab or press Ctrl+V. This is also shortcut key for paste button on the keyboard. Next, spelling and grammar check. Spelling and grammar check. When we create a document, it is important to spot and correct any spelling mistakes or grammatical errors that we could have made. For this, we can let MS Word's spelling and grammar check option suggest corrections automatically as we type, or we can check the spelling and grammar in the document all at once when we have finished typing the document. Next point is checking spellings and grammatical mistakes as we type. As we type, MS Word underlined misspelled words with a red wavy line. This is misspelled word, okay, red wavy line. And grammatical mistakes with a green wavy line. This is green wavy line. So this way MS Word searches its inbuilt dictionary to see if the words we type are spelled right and are grammatically correct. So to correct a spelling error indicated by the red wavy line, steps are here. Step 1, right click the underlined word, a menu appears. We can see here one menu box. Step 2, from the menu we choose one of the following options. Options are ignore, ignore all and add to dictionary. Next, to correct the grammatical error indicated by the green wavy line, we right click the underlined word, a menu appears. To incorporate the suggested correction, we click on the suggestion. If we do not want to incorporate the suggestion, we click ignore once. Next, check the spelling and grammar all at once. We can also wait and run the spelling and grammar check all at once after completing the document. We click the spelling and grammar command on the review tab. or we can also press the F7 function key on the keyboard. A dialog box opens and the first suggested correction is highlighted. Suggestions are alternatives to the word we got wrong. Next, we take the required action by using the buttons in the dialog box as explained in the table below. Ignore once. MS Word accepts the spelling or grammar used in the document and moves to the next error. Ignore all or ignore rule. MS Word accepts the spelling or grammar used and ignores all features, occurrence of it in the document. Next sentence. MS Word skips the error and moves to the next one. Next, add to dictionary. MS Word adds the word to its dictionary so that it is recognized in future. Change the spelling of the word to the suggestion selected in the list. Change all occurrence of the misspelled word to the suggestion selected in the list. When MS Word has finished checking the spelling and grammatical mistakes, a dialog box appears with the message: the spelling and grammar check is complete. You can see here. After that, we have to click OK button. Click OK on this dialog box. Find and replace. Suppose we have created a large document of 100 pages. We want to find the word Bombay. We can use the find option to find where it occurs in the document. To find a word, we follow the steps. Step 1. On the home tab of the ribbon, we go to the editing group and select find or use the shortcut key of Ctrl+F. Step 2. In the dialog box that appears, we type the word we want to find and then click find next. We can see here the first occurrence of the text is highlighted. Step 3. To find more occurrence of the text, we click find next. Step 4. When Word has shown every occurrence of the text, a dialog box appears with the message: Word has finished searching the document. Here you can see. Step 5. We click OK. After that, we have to click OK button. Do replace a word. To replace a word or phrase with another one, we use the replace option. For example, let us change Bombay to Mumbai in the document we created. Next, step 1. On the home tab of the ribbon, go to the editing group and select replace or use the shortcut key Ctrl+H. Step 2. In the find word text box, we type the word we want to find. Here find word Bombay. Step 3. In the replace with the text box, we type the word that we want to replace the original word with. Replace with Mumbai. Step 4. To find the first occurrence of the text, we click find next. The first occurrence of the text will be highlighted. Step 5. To replace the selected text, we click replace. Then step 6. We have to click OK button. To replace every occurrence of text without showing where the text was replaced, we click replace all. A dialog box appears informing us of how many instances of the text were replaced. Step 7. To close the find and replace dialog box, we click close or click cancel. We click close or click cancel. Here match the following given, students. So already I have done here. Later I will give to you. At first you will try to solve this. Students, I hope you all are understood. So rest of the feature I will be explain you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.